Hey you guys, welcome to or back to my channel. I know I've literally been the worst YouTuber this year, but we have a very exciting next couple of days, so I wanted to bring you guys along with us. Last year for my birthday, my boyfriend and I had booked this stunning getaway at the most breathtaking resort, Airbnb type situation, but we weren't able to go because the couple of weeks prior, there were really horrible forest fires and the road ended up actually being closed. Just over a year later, we are finally getting the chance to go visit this resort, and you're coming with us. Now we are only leaving for 2 nights, so I really don't have a ton to pack, but I did want to take this opportunity to show you guys my new luggage. You're kidding. I've been on the hunt for the perfect set of black luggage, and I finally found it. This carry-on and tote bag are from Monos, and I'll obviously link all of the details down below, but right now we have to fill these bad boys. Probably the most hectic and unorganized I've ever been when packing, but that's because our closet is in absolute shambles right now. That situation deserves an entire video of its own. But again, since we're only going for 2 days and it's really not that serious, the packing doesn't need to be either. But you guys already know that I had a little bit of a list just to make sure that I don't miss anything. So I have my underwear, I have some bikinis, I've got a pair of pajamas, I have my favorite pair of jeans, then some nice shirts for dinner, a little bit of activewear, and then loungewear is what I'm wearing and probably will be traveling in. So check, 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 check. Now to help me take this unorganized mess into somewhat of an organized mess, I'm gonna be using these compression cubes. We bought these for our month-long trip to Southeast Asia, and I will never go anywhere ever again without compression cubes. Now compression cubes are a little bit different than packing cubes. Packing cubes are simply just a mesh cube that you put your clothes in, but compression cubes have an additional zipper so that you can have your mesh cube like so, and then compress it by using that zipper. You basically flatten the cube as much as possible, which makes for way more space in your luggage. 10/10, highly recommend in my Amazon storefront. Another Amazon purchase that I would repurchase again and again and again is this adorable pajama set. They're a Jorf Avenue dupe, and I think they cost me probably around 30-40 bucks on the Canadian Amazon. So worth it. Love. After 3 hours, we made it to the stunning NAMI project. First impressions.
Stunning.
So stunning.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So stunning. Yeah.
Super nice, actually. Better than I was expecting.
Yeah. What's not stunning is that road. That drive was not great for me. I don't know why, but I feel like with every road trip, my road sickness has just become worse and worse and worse. Yeah, I was struggling, but anyway, we made it, and then Quinn had a meeting, so I went and ran a couple of errands, grabbed a couple of last minute things that I didn't get the chance to grab because we were in a bit of a rush this morning. But anyway, it's dinner time. We're hungry. You've barely eaten all day, so we've got to get some food in us. We are actually staying in 2 different suites each night. Does that make sense? We're staying in a different suite each night, yeah. But each unit that we're staying in has its own private sauna, which is so insane. The one that we're in right now also has a shared deck of hot tubs and a cold plunge that you said wasn't really cold, but it is summertime, so it kind of makes sense. Our suite tomorrow has a private sauna and a private hot tub, which is kind of exciting. It did take me about 18 years to order our food. It took me so long that my camera actually died, but we did just secure a little bit of dinner. We got our stuff from Frankie's, slightly overpriced in my opinion, but we haven't tried yet, so we'll see how it is. We both went with the chicken and mash and some greens, and then I actually also got a greens salad, which turns out I really didn't need to get because it's the exact same side as on our chicken. Pretty plain. Better not be plain for $33.
Yeah, that's what I thought. My first bite, the skin fell off. So it was just... It's kind of spicy.
Oh, there's bread.
Where's the bread? Oh.
What the hell?
Bread.
Oh, yeah. I think it says green stuff.
What's that?
The spice. Yeah. Oh, that was spicy. Oh.
Musha. Ginger lemon or apricot rose?
Let's do a little ginger lemon.
Probably good.
Oh, and it's made here. That's kind of cool. Oh, I can't believe how spicy that green stuff is. Like if you get that straight on your tongue. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to day 2 of our little getaway. Our neighbors are also on their deck this morning, and I get a little bit camera shy, so I hope that you guys can hear me okay. After dinner last night, we had a really chill evening. We used the sauna, had a cold shower, and then we went to the nearest gas station to get a couple of snacks. But then we basically just hung out, caught up, and chilled out. I feel like this summer has been like go, go, go for us, so it's been really, really nice to remove ourselves, retreat, and just get a little bit of downtime. We do have internet in our cabin, but when we're out and about, there's no service, which is honestly really, really nice. I think we both have needed that kind of disconnect. Super happy to be here. We have our one and only full day today. Since we are switching cabins, we do have to check out here at 11 a.m. and then we check into our next cabin at 4 p.m. So we kind of have the day. I think we're gonna head from Ucluelet into Tofino, rent some e-bikes, visit the beach, have some good food, and just have a day.
Good start.
Okay, hold on. It's like I've never ridden a bike before. we're in the middle of our bike ride, but we just pulled over because A, I wanted to show you how beautiful this boardwalk is, but also we wanted to tell you how fun e-biking is. Even though I teach spin, I don't think I would go on like a leisurely bike ride, but these e-bikes, definitely worth it. We rented e-bikes the last time we were in Tofino, and so we really wanted to do it again this time, and honestly really glad we did. I think we just biked like 16 kilometers, felt like a breeze. I also wanted to show you guys these stunning boardwalks. I don't know what it is, but part of the pathway to me is like the most magical thing in the world. They made these beautiful boardwalks, and all in all, it's just so stunning, so beautiful, so much fun. Let's keep going.
Let's do it.
So we're at the shed for lunch, and Quinn has been talking about these smash burgers for what, like 8 months? He came here a while ago and had these smash burgers, and ever since then he's been making smash burgers at home that have been delicious, but he's told me about this specific smash burger 4 months. So
Imagine you just hate it.
I know, it's just awful. All right, one bite. Everybody knows what it is. Cheers. Not overhyped.
So good.
So good.
Did anything get in your mouth though? It's all in your face. So good though, eh?
That's really good. Dang. That might be one of the best burgers I've ever had.
Me too.
10-10. 10-10. Morning, you guys. I would say good morning, but we have to leave today, so no, it's honestly been another incredible morning here at the NAMI project. I am obviously looking forward to being home, but this space is just even more incredible than I expected it to be, so it's definitely going to be difficult leaving today. We thought we wanted to go on a run this morning, but then we woke up and just decided to make the most of our last couple of hours here. I think we are going to sauna in a little bit here, but I just wanted to sit down and chat with you about the different suites we stayed in, just in case any of you ever get the chance to come visit the NAMI project. Our first night we stayed in the Wakami suite. Now this entire resort is waterfront, so you're going to have breathtaking views from any of the suites or cabins. cabins. The Wakami suite specifically was on the second floor, so we kind of got to escape a little bit of that greenery that you'll find on the ground floor, but nonetheless, every suite or cabin has spectacular views. Now for our second night, we stayed in the Hasumi cabin. Now the difference between the suites and the cabins is that the suites are obviously part of one big building, like I already mentioned, and the cabins are their own individual cabins. Also, unlike the suites where they have shared hot tubs, each cabin has their own private hot tub. When I'm going on a getaway like this, I don't personally love running into people, I don't love conversing with people, I don't love hearing people, and we've had such an incredible sense of privacy in the suites and in the cabins that it's just been phenomenal. Now, even the resort is currently fully booked out. We only ran into one couple 2 times, and that was simply because they were staying in the same building and same floor as us. The only times that we really heard them was when they were on their deck and we were on ours. But besides that, it's just been so quiet and peaceful and serene. Definitely my type of getaway. Now, if you ever get the chance to visit Ucluelet, I highly recommend that you come visit the NAMI project. I'll obviously link the resort and the suites that we stayed in my description box down below. And a huge thank you to the NAMI Resort for having us.